Welcome to the Twilight Hour. This is the FX video for the week beginning August 31st. I'm going to start with the euro because obviously that is most people's focus and attention. And this 142.5 level for Monday's settlement is going to be pretty key going forward, and it's almost a pivot. And really that's all I'm going to say about that, because you'll be able to see the daily videos on the website, which are either on the presentation page or at the end of the trade recommendations page. Now here's the British pound on the monthly chart. Totally different scenario. And 163.5 seems to have become pivotal. But look at this, 161.38 is also pivotal. So 161.38, just below the current month's low. And if that's the case, then we're going to look for an outside month, frankly. And 167.33, 170.43, about 310 pips. We'll take the 310 pips off this. 156.71, 156.71. At that point, 156.71, which matches the high from December last year, is the absolute key to this market. Now the only problem that I have is that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, is the dollar going to strengthen or not? And it's really, really tough to know. Now, if we take the fibs, you can see we've done about a 45% retracement. And of course everybody would have been looking for this 173 level being the 50%, and of course that hasn't happened. So how about doing about a 45% retracement back this way, which would take us somewhere around 154 3/4. So let's take 154 3/4 as the level, and we'll clean this up. Get rid of this. And we'll well, there is a possibility, 154 3/4, but I would still have to say that having seen such a big rally like this, you're kind of looking for the first pullback to buy. It remains to be seen. Aussie dollar, well, it's just straight down and some sort of step back up. We've almost got to 66% retracement. You know how this market loves to do 66% rather than the 5/8. And well, it's a smaller month than last month. Clearly 83.21 is going to be pivotal going forward. That's all we can say about that. Canadian dollar, possible reversal, but you know, 111 1/4 is going to be the key in terms of that. How much of a retracement did we do? I mean, this was nosebleed territory up here, up and down, up and down. Finally, you saw how it broke. And we've done a, well, I guess we've done about a 5/8, haven't we? Yeah, done about a 5/8. So, there's still a possibility of 104 1/4. I wouldn't be surprised if we actually do something like 104 1/4 to 115. That seriously would not surprise me. Japanese yen, now of course I'm doing this on the weekend where we're going to get a change of government apparently in Japan. And not only that, but apparently as well there's going to be a substantial amount of repatriation of money by funds in September to the Japanese currency, because they've just slashed the tax they will have to pay. And I think this is the reason why there's pressure on dollar yen at the moment. We certainly got lower highs, although we had one attempt to get above that 97 level. That was disappointing. We seem to have a cluster around about 95.20, and that I think is the key. 95.20 is going to be the key. It's mildly positive above, mildly bearish below. For the moment, everything is pointed straight down. The only way that I think that we turn this market around is by one of these zip big up bars like this. And that's why, you know, having a stop, if you're going to be short on dollar yen, you've got to have a hard stop. It's absolutely imperative. I wish you good luck with your trading, and I'll see you all next week.